You know, like
He was talking to in a sexual way with Kay Bella.
that's not me. The nasty. Busted. BG.
Well, hey there, and welcome to my channel, Loop Whoop, and I am Loop the Whoop, but you can call me Loop for short. It is bright and early. Foodie Duty apparently went live at 1 a.m. last night. Girl, go to bed. Let's see what BG and Foodie Duty is up to.
I got tired all of a sudden. I wasn't tired all night. Hello. She's good. Well, she's not getting used to the onesie. Like, when she goes to walk in it, she freaks out and runs. Yeah, I'm starting not to like ChatGPT anymore. I heard that they run off of these humongous data centers. And they're so creepy because they use a lot of resources. I don't know. Pete's is brainwashing me. It's just like, I didn't know that there was like a whole, like, for ChatGPT to work, there had to be like a whole, like, actual area, like, somewhere, like a center. Or like, I didn't know that the internet was like an actual thing, like a place. Like an area of all computers. Like, I don't know. It's Ramadan there. Ramadan Kareem. Ramadan Mubarak or Ramadan Kareem?
3 years in the Middle East.
Hey, Salah.
God, please, no! 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 No!
I know, like, as soon as I put it on her and then she, like, went to move around in it, she freaked. Like, she was, and I'm so afraid of her, like, opening stitches or something. She was freaking out, running around. Before I put the suit on her when I got home, she started playing right away. Like, she brought me her mouse. She jumped down here. I was like, you shouldn't be jumping. Like, no jumping. I finally got the suit on her after trying, like, 6 different times. See, she's freaking out. This is the worst part of animal operations. Like, the guilt you feel having put them through, putting them through that. Like, she didn't act medicated. Like, when I picked her up, they're like, oh, she has three days worth of pain medicine in her. And I was like, okay. And then, like, it's just a suit. Like, why is it making her, like, walk weird?
It's almost like you should have put it on her before she got spayed so she could A, get used to it, and B, you could see if that was going to be the appropriate mechanism. I don't know what you call it, the appropriate thing for her, that or the cone, right?
Maybe she won't even get used to it. And the thing is, like, they want me to take it off every day and put it back on. I don't think so. I'm just going to be checking, like, somehow else. It doesn't cover her bum. Hey, whoa. Shh. It's okay. It's okay. It's just a onesie. It's just a onesie. No, stay here. Come on. No. Oh, just stay. Come here. Good girl. It's all right, baby. It's just a onesie. Don't go down there. Don't jump. Stay here with mom. It's okay. Good girl. Poor baby. It's okay. Come here, baby. Hi, BG. She doesn't know how to walk in it. Whoa, oh my God. Why is she jumping down there? Julia. Baby, you're not supposed to. I need to move this couch back. Come here. Come on, you can do it. Oh my God. Come here. She's hyper now, oh my God. Okay. No more going behind there. Capiche? Just rest. You should be resting. You should be stoned out of your mind. She was bright alert the minute she got home. Remember whenever Julia had her spay, how out of it she was? Yeah, she has some gabapentin, but I don't know if I should give it to her.
Absolutely not, girl. Absolutely freaking not. Do not do that. That is not what that is for.
Remember how much of a nightmare it was, Salah, when Julia got spayed? Like, whenever she got spayed, she came home and she was foaming at the mouth. She was out of it. But this one here...
What are you doing, full of spunk? Hey, you're supposed to be tired.
I got a glimpse of her incision, and I can't really see much. It's, like, really nice and clean. I don't know. The vet, I was like, should I put the onesie on her right away? She's like, oh, you're not going to need to do it till tonight because she's going to be out of it. The minute she gets home, she's friggin' jumping on the cat tree, behind the couch, brought me her mouse, pigging out on food, which the vet said she could eat normal. And what else was she doing? Started licking her incision, like, going towards it. So I was like, you're getting that onesie on, that's it. I was going to let her stay in the closet, but she doesn't want to stay in there. I don't want to lock her in there. She likes to be around me. She keeps coming over to me and, like, purring and licking me. I feel like she wants me to, like, please take it off. But no, I'm not giving in. I did that with Julia. I gave in and took the cone off, remember? Luckily, she didn't do anything to her sutures, but...
What we're not going to do is rewrite history. We all saw on live stream that her incision was wide the F open, ma'am. What you're not going to do is rewrite history. That is false information. This is why you're so worried about keeping a onesie on her, because you know damn well that that incision was open on Julia.
But they want me to take the onesie off every day, then put it back on. Like, that's so stressful for the cat. Well, they want me to check the incision every day, which I understand, but they don't understand how hard it is to get it on and off.
Then don't get a cat or use a cone.
Hey. You poo. Oh, no. Hey, no. I mean, would she be jumping around like this if she was in pain? Hey, Mac. Whoa. Oh, my God. Hey, okay. It's all right, baby. What's the matter? This is all weird, this thing. You okay? Whoa. Shh. Okay. It's okay. Wanna go bed? Hey? You wanna go bed? It's okay. She's freaked out.
Jesus, this is so hard to watch. I'm sorry, you guys, but I also feel like it's important to pay attention to what's going on, because we also all saw what happened to Julia, and I just want to remind new people that we're not making fun of this woman because she's a large woman. We are reacting to her terrible behavior.
It's okay. Okay. Are you spazzing out?
What's this? It's a sweater. It's a sweater.
Hush, little PG, don't say a word. Poor BG. You're pitiful. Yeah, I know, baby. It sucks. I know. I feel so bad for her.
Just go sleep.
Thank you. I know, she's cute, eh? Okay. I feel so bad. Whoa. No.
What's this?
No. Don't go behind the couch. That's all I ask. Anyway, I guess I'm gonna go to bed because I'm gonna go lay with her. Like, if I'm in bed, maybe she'll stay put, but bye for now.